You know, I've already done Away in a Manger, a different version of it, because there are several different versions. This one's not going to be on the trumpet, and it's going to be the classic version that everybody seems to know, but it's going to have another version at the end. Away in a Manger. Here we go. There you go. Away in a Manger. Two different versions in the same one. How about that? Merry Christmas.